Hey everyone! If you're having trouble exporting your design in Photopea, like the download is failing, stuck, or giving an error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix Photopea export problems fast. First, make sure your design is fully loaded and not corrupted. Sometimes partially loaded or broken projects can cause export errors, so always check your layers before exporting. Next, try changing your export format. If PNG doesn't work, switch to JPG or another format because sometimes a different format fixes the issue instantly. If your project is too heavy, reduce file size or simplify layers. Large PSD files with many effects or layers can sometimes fail during export, so merging layers can help. Refresh the page and try exporting again. Temporary browser glitches can interrupt the export process, and a simple reload often fixes it. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted stored data can interfere with Photopea's export system and cause unexpected errors. Disable browser extensions or ad blockers temporarily. Some extensions can block scripts needed for exporting files properly. And finally, try another browser or device. This helps you figure out whether the problem is coming from your browser or something else. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix Photopea export problems. Follow each step carefully, and your design should download without any issues. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for fast and easy solutions.